Back on the dashboard, you'll find everything you need in one place. The left panel offers quick navigation through your workspaces, from cases to documents, and back to templates. In Cases, organize your documents with ease. Let's create a new case together. Simply drag and drop your file here. We'll add a case name, GDPR Compliance. Select the class, Compliance, and provide a brief description for easy tracking. Once you've uploaded your files, they'll appear in your cases, neatly organized and accessible. Click on your case and add additional documents like a confidentiality agreement or IP agreement whenever you need. Over in Documents, all your uploaded files are ready to be reviewed. If you're working on standalone documents, upload them directly here, without creating a separate case. Here, you'll also see our unique Contract Perfection Score, which gauges the completeness of each document at a glance. Uploading is a breeze. Either drag and drop files or use the Upload button. Now, let's dive into the analysis of your contracts.